Mrs. Scarf here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the sky in an image using Adobe Photoshop. First, begin by going to Image, Image Size, and taking note of the information here. Our resolution is 72 and our height is 1000 pixels. Click OK. Next, we're going to go over to our layers and we're going to duplicate our background layer. Call this layer No Sky. Click OK. Turn off your background by clicking on the eye. Next, we're going to go to the Select on Menu, and if you have a newest version of Photoshop, you should see the word Sky under one of your tools. If you don't have the Sky Selection tool, you can use the Lasso tool or the Magic Wand to select the sky instead. Give it a moment and Photoshop is going to magically select the sky for you. Now we need to select the opposite of the sky so that we can mask it. Because right now the sky is selected, but we need the buildings to be selected. So we're going to go over to the Select menu. Then we're going to go to the word Inverse, which means opposite. Now that the buildings are selected with marching ants, we are going to go over to our layers. And at the bottom, we're going to click on the Mask tool. This will mask the sky. Now that our sky has been masked, we can go find an image to put behind the buildings. I have already chosen an image. Now we're going to make sure that the resolution and size of this image match our previous image. We're going to go under Image, Image Size. We're going to change our resolution first to match the other image. This one is 72. We're going to match our height to match the other one, which was 1000 pixels. Please make sure that you select pixels and then change your height to match your other one. Click OK. The image gets smaller because it has lost a few pixels. You're going to right click on your background layer, click Duplicate, and right here where it says Destination, you need to send it over to your other image. Click OK. When you go over to your other image, you might see that the sky is there, but it is covering everything. So we're going to go over to our layers and change the order of our layers. We're going to move the No Building layer up. And if you wish to change the sky, go grab your Move tool by clicking on the letter V. Select that layer, make sure it is selected, and then you can move it up or down as desired. Now, if you notice that Photoshop did not do a very good job with cleaning up the sky, this is where you can use other tools to clean up what Photoshop did. So right now, first of all, you can go to over to your mask that Photoshop created, and by holding down the Alt key, you can see what Photoshop did. Using a brush loaded with either black or white paint, you can paint in whatever Photoshop missed. So using white paint right now, I can go in and make sure that these buildings are covered perfectly. I can also use black to cover areas where Photoshop did not do a good job hiding what's back there. After I'm finished cleaning up what Photoshop did, I can click Alt and then click back to see my image again. I can also go under Select, and I can go where it says Select and Mask. This is for newer versions of Photoshop. And once I'm in here, I can choose different views to help me see what Photoshop did. I'm going to go to the third one, which is the Overlay mode, which allows me to see the selection in red. Using the first, second, or third tool, I can clean up the selection. So I'm going to use the third tool, which is basically just a brush. And with the plus sign, I am able to uncover what Photoshop has accidentally hidden. Or with the minus, I am able to take away from Photoshop's selection. Control Z will undo. Once I am finished cleaning up using all the tools on the left, I can click OK. And these are the basics on how you can replace the sky in an image. Thank you for watching.